All right, so I did a video for lateral area, total surface area, and now we're going to talk about volume. The formula for volume is your base times your height. So we need to first find the area of the base, which for a cylinder is a circle. And then they already gave us the height. They told us that the height is 6. So first we want to find the area of the base. So we need to find our base. For area of a circle, it is pi r squared. So my radius will be the same as the radius for the top circle. So this radius right here is also 3. So we're going to do pi times 3 squared. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which gives us 9 pi. All right, and then my height is 6. So for my volume, it's just my base times my height. So in this case, it will be that 9 pi times 6. Because we're leaving everything in terms of pi, we don't actually have to worry about multiplying by pi. We're just going to do 9 times 6, and 9 times 6 is equal to 54. So my volume is 54 pi. And then we're done.